Welcome back to Gadget Auto World. Today, we're tackling one of the most debated questions in the automotive world. How does the driving experience of electric cars compare to traditional gas-powered cars in 2024? From acceleration and handling to noise levels and refueling, we're diving into the key differences that set these vehicles apart. Whether you're considering making the switch to an electric car or sticking with gas, this comparison will help you make an informed decision. Let's dive in. Acceleration and power delivery. Let's kick things off with one of the most noticeable differences: acceleration. Electric cars are famous for their instant torque, providing lightning-fast acceleration from a standstill. Take the Tesla Model 3 Performance, for example, which can rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds, rivaling some of the world's most high-performance sports cars. This is thanks to the electric motor's ability to deliver 100% of its power instantly, making the driving experience feel like a surge of power that's both thrilling and effortless. Gas-powered cars, however, rely on engine RPMs to build power, particularly if they're turbocharged or supercharged. While gas cars can also be incredibly fast, they don't provide that immediate burst of speed. The acceleration is often more gradual, which some driving enthusiasts find thrilling, as it connects them with the engine's power band. The feeling of an engine winding up to deliver more power is an experience that many car lovers cherish. Sound and feel. When it comes to sound, gas-powered vehicles have a distinct advantage. The growl of a V8 engine or the howl of a turbocharger can make for a visceral, immersive experience that adds to the thrill of driving. For many, the sound of the engine provides a sense of connection with the car, making every drive feel alive and exciting. On the flip side, electric vehicles are known for their silence. The lack of engine noise means you get a much quieter, almost futuristic driving experience. Some drivers love this calm, serene atmosphere, which allows them to focus more on the road or enjoy other sounds, like music or the hum of the tires. But for some, the absence of engine noise can feel less engaging, as the car lacks the emotional connection that a roaring engine provides. Handling and weight distribution. When it comes to handling, electric vehicles have a distinct edge. Many EVs feature batteries mounted low in the chassis, which lowers the car's center of gravity and improves overall stability. Take the Porsche Taycan, for instance. This mid-range sports sedan feels incredibly stable around corners, providing a driving experience that feels firmly planted on the road. However, there's a trade-off. Batteries are heavy, and that added weight can impact agility, especially on tight, twisty roads. Gas-powered cars tend to be lighter and more nimble, providing a sharper, more agile driving experience. For those who crave quick turn-ins and responsive handling, gas-powered cars still maintain an advantage in certain driving situations. Range and recharging versus refueling. One of the most significant differences between electric and gas-powered cars is range and the time it takes to refuel. Gas-powered vehicles typically offer longer ranges and can be refueled in a matter of minutes. This makes gas cars ideal for long road trips and spontaneous drives, as you can stop at almost any gas station and get back on the road quickly. Electric cars, on the other hand, are limited by their battery range and the need for charging. While high-end EVs like the Tesla Model S offer ranges of over 350 miles, drivers still need to plan for charging stops during longer trips, which can take anywhere from 30 minutes to several hours depending on the charging station and the battery level. The growing network of fast charging stations is helping, but planning is still necessary for longer journeys. Maintenance and costs. When it comes to maintenance, electric vehicles are the clear winners. With fewer moving parts, no oil changes, and no exhaust systems, EVs typically require much less maintenance than gas cars. Over time, this can translate to lower long-term ownership costs, fewer trips to the mechanic, and less hassle overall. Gas cars, with their internal combustion engines, transmissions, and exhaust systems, require more maintenance and are subject to wear and tear over time. While this means more frequent visits to the mechanic, it also means that gas cars are often easier to repair due to the established infrastructure and availability of parts. Environmental impact and driving conscience. The environmental impact of these two types of vehicles is also a major factor. Electric vehicles produce zero tailpipe emissions, making them an eco-friendly choice for drivers concerned about reducing their carbon footprint. With the increasing availability of renewable energy, driving an EV is becoming even more sustainable. Gas-powered vehicles, however, continue to emit CO2 and other pollutants, contributing to global warming and air pollution. Despite this, many drivers still prefer gas cars for the unique driving experience, the sound of the engine, or the emotional connection they feel with a traditional combustion engine. Price and availability. Price is another area where these two types of cars differ. Electric cars tend to have a higher upfront cost due to the expense of the batteries, although government incentives, lower maintenance, and fuel savings can offset this over time. EV options are also expanding rapidly across a range of price points. with brands like Tesla, Ford, and Hyundai offering everything from budget-friendly models to high-performance electric cars. Gas-powered cars, on the other hand, tend to offer more variety across different price levels, from budget-friendly sedans to high-performance muscle cars and luxury vehicles. Gas cars remain more accessible for many buyers, especially in regions where EV infrastructure is still developing. So, which driving experience is better, electric or gas? It really depends on your personal preferences. If you value immediate acceleration, a quiet cabin, and lower maintenance, an electric car could be the way to go. But if you love the sound of a traditional engine, the agility of a lighter car, and the convenience of fast refueling, gas-powered cars still have their place. We hope this comparison helped you understand the key differences between electric and gas cars in 2024. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more automotive insights and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the road.